Hi glow babies, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on my daily skin routine. I've been using the same skin routine for the last couple of months and my skin has improved so much. My skin itself is feeling a lot more hydrated, fresher, and sis, it is glowing like no other. So I figured, why not share my tips and tricks with you guys? I'm starting off with my favorite facial cleanser. It's by Velocity. Before you apply your cleanser, you do need to make sure that your face is wet. It doesn't have to be dripping wet, it could be just a little damp. That way, when you do go to apply your facial cleanser, it does its job correctly. Now I'm taking the product and I'm rubbing it in between my hands. That way I'm not pulling on my skin so much. So taking a microfiber towel and blotting the skin dry, what that does for us is it's gonna keep our skin nice and firm. We're gonna go ahead and exfoliate with our Boscia exfoliating peel mask. I love this. I got it as a gift from Sephora, and the first time that I used it, my skin was brighter and more even complexion. Boscia, if you want to sponsor your girl, I'm all here for it. You can really feel this product doing its job. Always remember to include your neck. Super important. Moving on to my favorite part, exfoliating your lips. I'm going to be using the Mary Kay Satin Lips. It's grapefruit and citrus. It tastes really good. Don't ask me why I know that. But it's so good for you. Exfoliating your lips, it makes your lips a lot softer. It also helps the application of your lipstick go on a lot smoother and last a lot longer. The most important thing you can throw into your daily skin routine is definitely going to be toner. What toner does is it balances the pH in your skin, so it leaves your skin more even, and it also leaves it a lot brighter. What I use is witch hazel because it's very inexpensive, and you can also find it anywhere. It's super convenient. You can find it at Dollar Tree, you can find it at Target, you can find it at Walmart. You can go anywhere and find witch hazel. Definitely invest. Going in with my favorite facial spray, this is the Badescu Cucumber, Aloe, and Green Tea Spray. This product leaves your face super refreshed and extremely hydrated. So moisturizer and SPF are the key to having good skin. When we go outside, the sun has UV rays, and the rays from the sun are extremely harmful for our skin. Not only can they cause sunspots, but they can also cause your skin to age a lot quicker. And we don't need none of that, okay? I always try to pull my skin upward whenever I'm applying any kind of lotion, any kind of product. Pull your skin upwards, that way you can keep your skin as firm as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love each and every one of you, and I want you guys to remember, anything is possible. Your only limit is your mind. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out the other videos on my channel. New videos go up every Tuesday and Friday.